Today we're going to show you how to change a shifter plate on an NC MX5. So first you got to take off the center console. If you don't know how to do that, you'll see one of my videos right over here, which pretty much explains exactly how to do that. Now the next thing you got to do once it's off is take this bit here off of this screw because it's on there. We've already taken off 2 of these bolts here, but you have to take off the other 2 as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all 10 millimeters. Now it should just pop off. Now we have this bit over here, which is just a rubber boot that would just come off right as well. Over here we can see the actual plate itself. So how we go about removing this, the same thing, just 10 millimeter, and you have 3, 1, 2, 3 bolts. Yes, there's clips here, and you have to get a small flathead that can just fit inside there, and you just push it up. Do it on the 3 sides. After that, you get flathead again, and you pry it inside this, and it should flick up. And after that, you can just take off the main part. Look at how this over here is curved, and then look at how that over there is just completely straight. There's 2 clips on this that you have to put in spot with this on both sides. It should be like a clip in. There you go. Then you put those 3 silver things in, and then you install it. Now you put the 3 bolts on. No! No! What have you done? What the f have you done? I knew I was gonna happen as well. Ow, this is so fucking tight. That feels amazing. Now I can just go all the way left and up, and if I want to go into reverse, push down all the way, and already the gear shifts feel so much nicer than they did before. Just put the center console back on using my other video and you're good. Whoa. It's already better, right? Yeah. Crazy. Even second gear feels good now, right?